Production of Skoda cars. Film production staff. The Skoda car factory at Mladá Boleslav, Czechoslovakia, one of the country's largest industrial complexes. This is the factory where a number of Skoda models are built, cars that have won a fine reputation at home and abroad, epitomizing economy and safety, the popular cars of our day. Closely knit integration of manufacture, technology and design ensures a high frequency of innovation, rationalization, mechanization and automation, all introduced with the single aim of improving the efficiency of production and the quality of the finished product. This is the cradle of the motor car. No, that is not a mistake. Skoda cars are born here too, or perhaps rather some of their constituent parts. The aluminium alloy foundry. The most advanced methods of die casting are used here for making aluminium castings with the aid of robots. Precision manufacture is facilitated by the up-to-date equipment of the forge. The forging units are equipped with mechanisms for all the operations involved: heating, forging, including rough forging, and cutting. The manufacture of the car bodies starts in the pressing shops. Here the sheet steel is stamped. Then it is transported to the welding shop. The result is the complete body shell, brought together from pressings that form sub-assemblies, which are then welded into larger assemblies and the whole body. The welding shop is equipped with the most up-to-date semi-automatic lines composed of multi-spot welding presses. We are watching the underframe assembly advancing along the line, with the roof and side panels being added. The body assembly line is the place where the doors are fitted and the bonnet and boot lid. The body acquires its final shape. Engine is the most important component of a motor car. Engines are made, as are the gearboxes and the front and rear axles, in carefully concerted assembly shops. Assembled and tested, the power units are transported by conveyor to the main assembly line. Let us go back to the car body for a while. Fully assembled, the bodyworks are transported to the paint shop for special surface finishing. Effective protection against corrosion is another of the many assets of Skoda cars. The body is first degreased by dipping in an alkali bath and then by spraying. The phosphate primer coat is applied in the same way to provide a fine crystalline coat on the surface and in all the cavities. Paint is then applied in an electrophoretic bath. This system ensures depth protection and first-rate surface paint quality without any uncovered spots resulting from traditional ordinary immersion. The coat of paint is then hardened by firing in ovens at temperatures of 180 degrees centigrade. The bottom part of the body is then covered with a PVC plastisol coat that provides first-rate protection even in extremely difficult operating conditions. The final phase of the birth of a motor car is the trimming. The electrical wiring, the upholstery, window glass, chassis components and many other operations. The overhead conveyor facilitates the assembly of the front axle and the power unit. The cars leave the assembly line for the running in on rollers, the site of one of the many checks the cars are subjected to before being allowed to leave the factory. This then is the Skoda car from Czechoslovakia. Economical, reliable, safe, and last but not least, corrosion resistant. Skoda cars are exported successfully to over 40 countries. There is a wide variety of models catering for demanding customers and for countries with special climatic conditions. Over the past 3 decades, over 1,300,000 Skoda cars have been exported to European and overseas countries through the Motorkov Foreign Trade Company. Skoda has a wide network of specialized dealers. The dealers' know-how and equipment ensures first-class pre-sale service and a wide range of accessories. The Skoda works of Mladá Boleslav, Czechoslovakia, a company where tradition ensures quality.